A very good morning, student. This is the maths class for standard 5th. Today we will do exercise 4 of chapter 4. Before doing this exercise, we will see properties of division. Let us see. Properties of division. Number 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. For example, when 725 is divided by 1, we will get number itself, that is 725. Now number 2 is when a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. For example, when 826 is divided by 826, so we will get 1. Now number 3, when 0 is divided by any other number except 0, the quotient is always 0. For example, 0 is divided by any number. For example, 1455, we will get 0 as a quotient. Remember student, division by 0 is not possible. So, division algorithm is equal to dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Students, the algorithm is very useful while checking division. Now let us see division by 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. To divide a number by 1000, what we do? Let us see. We simply remove the last 3 digits to get the quotient. The last 3 digits together form the remainder. For example, when 3287 is multiplied by 1000. So students, we simply remove the last 3 digits. It means 287 write as a remainder and 3 write as a quotient. It means quotient is equal to 3 and remainder is equal to 287. Now, to divide a number by 10,000, we simply remove the last 4 digits to get the quotient. And the last 4 digits together form a remainder. It means when I remove last 4 digits, what is the 4 last digit? That is 2879. When we remove it, we will get quotient, that is 7. So quotient is equal to 7 and last 4 digit is remainder, that is 2879. Now, to divide a number by 1 lakh, it means in 1 lakh have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. So, we simply remove the last 5 digits to get the quotient. And the last 5 digits together form a remainder. It means 8,28,796. The last 5 digit is 28,796. When we remove these digits, we will get quotient, that is 8. And last 4 digit is, we write as a remainder, that is 28,796. Now we will do question number 2. Find a number which when divided by 35 gives the quotient 22 and remainder 14. So student, it means divisor is equal to 35, quotient is equal to 22, remainder is equal to 14, and find the dividend. So students, we have to see dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It means when we multiply divisor by quotient and when we add the product of remainder, product of divisor and quotient, will get dividend. So put the number in formulas. Now what is the divisor? Yes, 35 into quotient is equal to 22 and remainder is equal to 14. When 35 is multiplied by 22, we will get 770 and keep the remaining digit same, that is 14. When we add 14 and 770, we will get 784. Now question number 3 is 3699 when divided by a certain number gives 231 as the quotient and 3 as the remainder. Find the number. It means dividend is equal to 3699, quotient is equal to 231, remainder is equal to 3, and find out the divisor. Let us see. Now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder and put the numbers in the formulas. Now dividend is equal to 3699 is equal to find out the divisor, and quotient is equal to 231 plus 3 as a remainder. Now 3699. If we change the place of 3, we have to change sign and we write as 3699 minus 3 is an equal to divisor into 231. Keep the remaining digits same. Now when separate 3 from the 3699, we'll get 3696. Now keep the remaining digits same. Now divisor is equal to 3696 divided by 231. Now when 3696 is divided by 231, we'll get 16. Now divisor is equal to 16. Now question number 4 is find the quotient and remainder. First is 62,847 is divided by 1000. Students, here is 30. So we have to remove 3 digits to get the quotient. It means quotient is equal to 62 and remainder is equal to 847. Now question number B is 7,23,456 is divided by 10,000. Here students, you can see is 4 0 in 10,000. So we have to remove 4 digits to get the quotient. So quotient is equal to 72 and remaining digit, that is 3456, is a remainder. Now 6,12,345 divided by 10,000. Now here is 4 zeros, so we have to remove 4 digits to get quotient. So quotient is equal to 61 and remainder is equal to 2,345. Now D is 8,17,567 is divided by 1 lakh. So students, in 1 lakh have 5 zeros, so we have to remove 5 digits to get the quotient. So quotient is equal to 8 and remainder is equal to 17,567. Now your homework is question number 1, fill in the blanks, and question number 4, E and F of exercise 4.